to start on these beans. They're black beans, so I try to take all the juice off, because when I make my beans, I do eat it like a soup. So I'm gonna mash it up. I'm gonna mash it up. And then I'm going to add the peppers and onions, start heating that up. This is my quesadilla maker. So I'll start heating that up using my quesadilla bread. It is flour bread, but yeah, I love my little gadgets, y'all. I do. I love my little gadgets because they help me to cook better. So I'm going to cook the peppers and onions just a little bit and put just a little oil in here. Yeah, I really just want a little bit because I'm making quesadillas. I don't want it to be very oily, but I also don't want to necessarily burn the pan. So I just put a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to add the peppers and onions. Alright, so my dumb ASS closed the lid, but it looks really good, doesn't it? I closed the lid and it was cooking without the top of the quesadilla. Alright, so let's try this again. So what happens is, it's red, 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 and then when it's ready, it's green. We'll see. I know it's going to taste delicious though.